In this video, let's talk about how you can convert a PDF file to a JPEG in a MacBook computer, Mac Mini, whatever Mac you use, right? So the process is pretty simple, and the way I like to use it is through a online converter. So you can open up Safari or any kind of web browser, and literally what you can type into the search is PDF to JPEG. And there are going to be a bunch of websites presented to you. To be honest, most of them get the job done pretty much the same way. So just pick one, and this gives you the ability to choose files from your computer. So you need to find them through the Finder window and just upload PDFs to that website. And after it just gets converted, you will have the ability to just download the same file in the JPEG as an actual image, right? So this is like the easy method which anyone can use. On the other hand, a little bit more advanced stuff is to use, for instance, Photoshop. I would like to use that personally. So if you have Photoshop ready, you can just import a PDF file into your canvas and perform whatever changes you want, and then save it as a JPEG, PNG, and play with all of the deep settings that you don't really have the option to when using online converters. So you can do it both ways. It will get the job done. So it is up to you. And yeah, let me know below in the comments if you managed to get it to work. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe so you never miss future tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next video in the future.